Hello dear teachers and respected viewers. Today's video is about simple English sentences to be used for your online classes. Thus, before the classes we have some fear, but these are the sentences which you can use while your online classes. This will be helpful for the teachers. Once we enter the class, we greet the students. Good morning everybody. Good afternoon class. Please mute yourself everyone. It's a time to begin. Please mute yourself. After the greeting, you can say, have you all completed your homework? Okay, good. All of you take your book and turn to the page number. Today we are going to start this topic which is given on page number. Listen carefully children. This is an important topic. As I read, place your finger and follow. For the students who joins the class late, you may use these sentences. We started class 10 minutes ago. What have you been doing? Please join the class on time. During the session, you may use these sentences. Pay attention Danish. Look at the screen. I cannot see your book in the camera. Please show me in the camera. Everybody listen to me very carefully. Put your finger on that line. Keep your pencil ready. You have 5 minutes to do this. Repeat after me. Turn to the page number. I cannot hear you. There must be a network issue. During the session, you may also use, is this clear to you? Did you get it? Do you understand? Good. You have got it properly. I will send you all the notes of this topic after the class. After the lesson, you may use these sentences. Where do we stop? Excellent. You are absolutely right. Does anyone have a question? Any doubt? Now I am going to ask you some questions. Do you have any questions? Who knows the answer? Do you understand? Use raise your hand option from the right side of your screen. Please raise your hand if you don't understand. Try to answer by yourself. Say it in a loud voice. I'll ask you one by one. Danish, unmute yourself and answer. Can you all see the pictures I have shared on the screen? During the online classes, when your kids will start answering your questions together, you have to instruct them in this way. I'll ask you one by one. Wait for your turn. Don't unmute yourself unless I ask you to. Now we will go on to the next exercise. Whose turn is to read? For encouraging students, you may use these sentences. Your marks getting better all the time. Good. Well done. Excellent. That's great. You may also use for the encouragement. Don't worry. I am sure you will do better next time. For giving homework online, you may ask students to share homework photographs. You may use these sentences. You have to write this topic in your notebook and send me back for correction. Do the next exercise tonight and we will check it tomorrow. There is no homework today. At the time of ending of the class, you may use these sentences. Meet you in the next class. Take care everyone. See you in the next class. Don't forget to send your homework on time. Join the meeting tomorrow with the same link and same time. Thank you students.